Hello, good morning dear children. How are you doing? All well? That's great. You all know today is our English class, and in our English class today first we will read letters from A to Z, both capital and small. After that we will revise the sounds of letters and we will learn two new sounds of letters. We will also learn to write capital Q and capital R. And in the end, we will revise our poem Little Tommy Tucker. So, let us begin our class and repeat after me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. These were capital and small letters. Now let us revise the sounds of letters and we will learn two new sounds of letters Q and R. Let us begin. A says A as in apple. B says B as in bat. C says K as in cat. D says D as in duck. E says A as in egg. X says F as in fish. G says G as in gun. H says H as in hen. I says I as in insect. J says J as in jug. K says K as in kite. L says as in lamb. M says as in monkey. N says as in nest. O says as in orange. P says P as in parrot. And this is Q. Q says qua, qua, as in quail, as in queen. Q says qua, as in quail. Q says qua, as in queen. R says as in rabbit, as in rat. R says as in rabbit, as in rat, as in rose. So children, you have learned two new sounds today. Every day at home you have to revise these sounds of the letters. Let us learn to write capital Q and capital R. Q for a queen, R for a rabbit. It is very simple to write. As I have made 4 lines here on the blackboard, you will see 4 lines in your English notebook. First line is red, second line is blue, third line is also blue and the last line is red. We will write these letters in first 3 lines. As you all know, to make O, you can make O very easily. So you will make O like this. This is O. इस O को हमें Q कैसे बनाना है, you will see. This blue line, second blue line, from this second blue line to the bottom blue line, you will make slanting line like this. You will make a circle and a slanting line like this. Again, let us make first O. This is O. And we will make a slanting line starting from the first blue line, and you will touch it here on the second blue line. This way you will write Q. You will write 2 lines of Q. Now this is R. R is also very simple. You all know to write P. We will make standing line and ulta C. This is P. You all know to make P. And from this first blue line, you will come down and make a slanting line like this. And this way, you will write R. Again, we will first write P and a slanting line starting from this first blue line, and we will touch here on this second blue line. Once again, let us see this. P for a parrot first we will write, and a slanting line from here. This way, children, you will write Q and R in your English notebook. We will write capital Q and R in our notebook. It is very simple to write Q. First, we will make O like this, as you all know to make O. After that, from this first blue line, we will make a slanting line, come down and touch it here on this second blue line. This way, you will write Q. Q for a queen. Again, just see how ma'am is making. First, we will make O like this, and then from this first line, come down and touch it here on the second line, and we will make a slanting line. This way you will write Q. Again, let us see. First, you will make O like this, and you will make a small slanting line starting from the first blue line and come down and touch it here on the second blue line. This way you will write Q. Q for a queen. It is very simple. And children, you will write only 4 lines of Q and R also. We will learn to write R now. Standing line, and first we will make P. You all know to make P. And from this first blue line, we will again come down and make a slanting line and touch it here on the second blue line. This is R. Standing line, P for a parrot. And from here you will make a slanting line, come down and touch it here down on the second blue line. This way you will write R. R for a rabbit. R for a rat. R for a rose. So children, again, see how ma'am is writing. First, make a standing line and we will make P like this. And from this first blue line, you will come down and make a slanting line, touch it here on the second blue line. And this way, you will write R. So children, you all will write only first 4 lines of this page like this, Q and R. And send me the pictures. It's poem time now. Now we will revise the poem Little Tommy Tucker. Little Tommy Tucker sings for his supper. He is little Tommy Tucker and he is singing for his supper. वो अपने खाने के लिए गाना गा रहा है. And what shall he eat? Eat means खाना. वो क्या खाएगा? White bread and butter. वो पहले गाना गाएगा, गिटार बजाएगा, उससे उसको जो मनी मिलेगा, पैसा मिलेगा, उससे ब्रेड और बटर खरीदेगा. How shall he cut it? फिर वो ब्रेड को किससे काटेगा? वो एक बिग नाइफ से काटेगा. बिग मीन्स बड़ा, नाइफ मीन्स चाकू. Who shall he share with? किसके साथ शेयर करेगा, बांटेगा किसके साथ? With his big fat wife. उसकी जो बड़ी मोटी वाइफ है उसके साथ शेयर करेगा. Now let us say the poem. Little Tommy Tucker sings for his supper. What shall he eat? White bread and butter. How shall he cut it? With a big knife. Who shall he share with? With his big fat wife. Once again, let us say this poem. Little Tommy Tucker sings for his supper. What shall he eat? White bread and butter. How shall he cut it? With a big knife. Who shall he share with? With his big fat wife. Today we will also do some activity from our rhymes book. On page number 3, activity time, you will see. Okay? You will open the page and we will color the picture neatly. You will see mountains, sun, boy, girl. You are looking at beautiful flowers, butterfly. We will color this whole page. You can use the colors of your choice. Okay? Let us begin with this sun. Let us color this sun with yellow color. This way you will color. This way we will color this sun with yellow. Okay. Now let us color this mountain. पहाड़ को हम brown color से करेंगे इस तरह से. This way you will color this mountain. This way you will finish this mountain like this. This mountain here, here, here. With brown color you will finish doing the color. Now let us color this bird with yellow color. Like this. Slowly, slowly you will color. Now we will color this boy and girl. I am using now black color here. Okay. Slowly, slowly you will color like this. Now I am using this blue color to color the shirt of this boy. Let us color this also. I am using pink color. Like this you will color this boy and girl. Now let us color all the flowers with this orange color. We will color all the flowers with orange color. This way you will do this orange color in flowers. And we will take pink color and we will do the center of the flower with this pink color. This is the final look of this activity, children. You will color this way and send me the picture of this page.